Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how I made those beautiful embellishments with lace. You can use different lace and every single piece can be in a different lace. It could be more colorful, but I've decided to make it with only one lace. First of all, I should explain that I use this template to make, and I cut it from a cardstock that I had in my stash, and I cut it out so I could make this beautiful, gorgeous heart. Also, those two templates that are here will be included with this one, so everything will be free and you will be able to use it as much as you want and in every single project that you want. So as I said, those templates are going to be completely free, and I'm going to put them as PDF in my description box below. A link, I'm going to put a link so you can download them without problem, and you can cut them out and make beautiful and gorgeous embellishments. Also, please subscribe for my channel if you like this video and give a thumbs up, because this will give me help because I want to make my channel bigger and to grow it. Thank you very much for this. So let's get started. First of all, as I said, I'm going to use lace to make those beautiful embellishments that look like dress. You can use, of course, different laces. You can match them together, and you can make with these different straps, but I'm going to use this one because I like the color. It looks very vintage. So I've already prepared my things, as you can see, and I use distress ink to distress the edges of this embellishment. Let me see what is the size of the lace. In centimeters, the size of the lace is 13.9 centimeters and 13.9 centimeters, as I said. In inches, this is 5.472 inches. I'm going to put the length of the lace in my description box. If you want to use this length, you can make it longer or you can make it shorter, depends what you want. I've decided to make those hearts bigger because I want to put them in one project that I'm working. That's why I make them so big, and I love the way they look actually. First of all, it's very simple way. I'm going to show you a very simple way to cut those laces. Put those pieces together, fold them like this. One more time. The pieces together. Try to put them together as much as you can. Fold. And second fold. So hold them very, very strong. and start cutting. 1, 2, 3. There it is. It is very, very simple. So I'm going to combine the laces. I think there were 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4. I mean 4 by 4. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, you know what I meant. Like this. So there are 4 straps of the lace and 4 straps of the lace here, because I wanted to make it, I wanted to make it rich like this, because this is made with 4 straps here, as you can see. You will need threads, and let me show you how I'm stitching them together. Like this. I think that this will be enough, because I'm going to stitch them one more time. Just like this, so they're tight together. And I'm going to fold them in half and stitch them. Let me just, okay. There it is. And just as you can see, few times is enough, because in the end we are going to glue them. Okay, so it should look like this. And let me just secure my thread. This. Okay. And the other 4 pieces that I cut, I hope the thread will be enough just to tie them together. Okay. Just let me fix the thread. And it's done. So let me see how looks. Very good like that. So I'm going to put them together. Just let me open my glue. There it is. So they're done. There it is. It's very fast. But effective. So this is from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Once more, please subscribe for my channel and give a thumbs up. And I wish you amazing and very beautiful day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.